Right, everybody, picked up a couple of General Pump reels. All right, everybody. Camera ran out of juice. I had to charge the battery. So let's take a look at one of these. It's a General Pump DHRA50450. It's the 450. Very well packed so far. Yes, yes. What a beauty. Definitely good and heavy. Paperwork. Should have a fitting. Go on there. Handle, swivel, even a garden hose with a screen washer if you want to use it for a garden hose, which is why I'm going to use one of them for a garden hose. I got two and I don't think I'll regret it. Pull the little pin, it unravels, and leave it unlocked, and lock it back. It's a good looking thing, isn't it? It's a clutch brake. Spin freely. Create some drag. Help keep your hoses from bird nesting. Put the handle on either side. You put the swivel on either side. Shoot, I think I'm in love. Good stuff. Got your adapter there for the 3/8 hose. Without it, you got the 1/2 inch. Where you can mount your garden hose. Good stuff. You can mount your handle on the side that you want, your swivel on the side that you want, and if you want both your handles together or just uniform, or on the outside, on the inside, whatever you want, that'll work. There you go. It's done. Lock that baby, it ain't going nowhere. Alright, well that'll do it. I've got two of them and I need to get them inside. So I appreciate you watching.